Pitbull Combat Jiu-Jitsu. My name is Calvin Metz. This is Josh Phillips. And what it is a very basic, simple, easy, not so easy, but it's not got a lot to do. It's not real in-depth as far as martial art. There's the main parts to it is feinting, stop hitting, and then of course you got your grappling, basic boxing, and wrestling. And that's pretty much the whole system of what it's about. It's not anything like any traditional martial art that you've ever seen before. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Okay, the next section of the video, now we're going to get into trapping against a jab. The first punch has been thrown at you. One thing that you need to have in your training is a lot of punches thrown at you. The more you get punches thrown at you, the more familiar you are with that line familiarization. You'll hear that word a lot because that's basically what we want to try to get in every conceivable type of attack. You want to get used to and have it done to you time and time again, so that when it does happen to you, it'll feel unnatural for you to react in that way. Okay, the first one is the push trap Pak Sao over the arm, just like we did in reference position. Okay. Now the difference between this one and the other ones is what you're doing a little slower, but as he's coming back, so I've parried his arm and then draw it back in like a normal jab. I'm following him in. I'm just parrying the arm and following him and trapping the arm to the body. That's how it works. Okay, about half speed. I'm just following him in. The parry here, leave the arm out this time. I am parrying him to here, to my shoulder, and I'm moving my head slightly out of the way. Then he draws the hand in, I just follow it in and hit. That's basically what you want to try to get accomplished. Again, fast. That's all you're doing. And you just follow in, using different techniques. Okay, one more time. And you don't want to do this. You never want to get involved with bringing the hand out here and trying to swat the hand. Your hand is at your center. It just goes to the center, right to the punch. Even if you miss your parry, you're moving your head, remember. That's boxing, the part of the boxing that we use in it. We move our body instead of just keeping our body there and trying to block. You want to move your body and try to commit openings on your attacker. Okay, we're going to go back and forth with this a couple times. I'll go first. Go ahead. Okay, that's basically what it is, your first trap. The second one. These two next ones is more for a stiff arm attack. Somebody trying to knock your head off with that forward hand punch, which you'll get a lot of times. It can be with a snap too, but it works better for the guy that's trying to lunge at you and throw a punch, basically. Okay? Okay. Stay there this time. Okay, this is what we're doing. Straight punch with the knuckles driving down into the ribs. You have nerves right there. You want to drive straight down, right up underneath the arm. I'm just parrying the arm to my outside shoulder, and my body weight is torqued into it. Again. Straight down. Driving straight in. Now I'm in a position to carry on my attack. Okay. Let's go back and forth a couple times. I'll go first. Okay, this is called a push trap under the arm. First one's push trap over the arm. This one's under the arm. The next one and last one that we're going to go over is push trap and going inside the arm. Now there's two variations that we'll use with this. Okay, so jab. You're just going straight to the face. You're just parrying the arm, moving your head, and punching to the face. You just basically let your attacker run right into your fist. Between the force of your fist going straight and your hip going in, and his momentum coming in will greatly enhance the power of that technique. Okay? Right there. Okay? Go back and forth with this a couple times. Okay? The next one is more of a hooking punch. This is somebody that puts their arm close to their center line. They're like this, and they got that center pretty covered. And you might just like this technique better. It does not matter which one, but basically all they're doing is to soften him up, loosen him up, make him lose his balance so you can sweep, reap, and throw this guy to the ground and get the fight over with. Okay? We'll go from this angle on this one. I'll give you more of an idea. I'm throwing a hook right into the jaw. Could be into the neck. Okay? Okay? Parrying the punch and hitting right into the jaw, underneath the ear, and the neck area. Okay? Go back and forth that a couple times. Any place like that. But basically, the thing that you want to try not to do with your hand strikes, I was basically going to explain them as we went along. Anytime you do hand strikes, you try not to, do not draw your arm back to punch. Just hit him straight from where your guard is. Make it fast. Okay? Your hip. That's how you get your power into that punch. Okay?